Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to make crescent rolls, so keep watching. You need 300 grams of flour. You need 50 grams of sugar, half a tablespoon of instant yeast, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Add 1 egg and half cup of warm milk. Add 56 grams of butter. You can use your hand or a mixer to mix it. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you'd love to see more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. If you're mixing by hand, you will have to knead the dough for 10 minutes. Apply some oil on the work surface. Also apply some oil on the bowl. Form the dough into a ball, then place it into the bowl, cover it and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until it has doubled in size. After an hour, punch the dough to remove the air. Gently roll out the dough into a cycle to about 12 inches. Divide it into 12 pieces. Gently roll it, starting from the bigger side. Place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover it and let it rise for 20 minutes. Cover it and let it rise for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, brush it with some milk. Then bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. So after baking, you can brush it with some melted butter. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and leave a comment.